Hi, my name's Theo Stevens. I'm the founder of Bright Idea Egress and Brighter Basements Egress. You can find us on the website at brightideaegress.com or brighterbasements.com. We build the best egress window systems that you can buy. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we go. I want to talk to you about the benefits of installing this window well and the window well itself with the inside flange. Would you rather be installing this window well and attaching it way down here from out here or from the inside? That's why we put the flanges on the inside. It's just as simple as dropping this window well in the hole you dug and fastening straight down all the way to the bottom. The bottom of the window well often gets overlooked and it doesn't get fastened when you fasten it from the outside. So with fastening from the inside, you don't have to over excavate, you have less backfill, you have less chance of settling. There's just so many reasons to do it this way. So your kit will include inside flange window wells. So people say, well, why don't we get them from the factory like this? And there's a really good reason for that. And that is if you get these window wells and they won't nest for freighting, for trucking. So you can't stack 25 of these at a time on a pallet and send them. So that's why they have to be constructed by hand. So some other benefits to this St. Paul product is it's premium steel, G90 coated, I believe is the galvanizing spec. See this rolled edge right here on the St. Paul corrugating product? It's rolled at the top and at the bottom for additional strength. That's really a big deal. Another additional benefit of this product is it's constructed with 18 gauge steel. Some of the lesser quality window wells I'm positive they are built with either sometimes 22 gauge steel and 20 gauge steel. Yet another reason why we really like this window well a lot is its footprint. Notice the footprint of this window well is U-shaped and not V-shaped. Some of St. Paul Corrugating's competitors, the window well, the footprint is shaped more like a V rather than a U. So it just doesn't look as good from the outside of the house.